Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure your Android 8 Plus or Windows 10 system is updated, and free at least 200 MB of space so the app installs cleanly. Once done, download Wallcraft from the official store and grant storage and wallpaper permissions. This lets the app save and apply files. Make sure battery optimization is off for Wallcraft, otherwise live wallpapers may pause. Now open the app and sign in, so your settings sync across devices and purchases unlock automatically. You now pick the wallpaper and tailor it. Use filters to match resolution and prefer 60 FPS only if your GPU handles it. Once you tap Preview, test motion and sound, then set loop duration and whether audio plays. Next, customize layout, center, stretch, or tile, and select multi-monitor settings when on desktop. Make sure to adjust the quality slider to balance battery life versus visuals. On laptops, switch to performance mode for longer runtime. After customizing, save as a profile for quick reuse. You finish by applying the chosen profile and checking how it appears on both home and lock screens. If alignment is off, reopen Wallcraft and tweak offsets or scaling. If animation stutters or colors shift, lower FPS or quality, clear the app cache, and restart the app to refresh rendering. When the app crashes, reinstall after backing up profiles, regrant permissions, and then send device model plus logs to support so they can diagnose. One key tip: disable aggressive battery saver if wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.